Okay, so this is design tool number 2, and this is really one where you want to get fancy. Now, they do have paid and free versions of this that you can get into, but it is super cool. They have so many templates, and you just literally go here and you just type in t-shirt, and it'll come up with a whole bunch of templates that you can use. You find any you like, you just like click on it, and you're good to go. So, like these are super popular, but watch this. If I want to make this one into the dad one, I can do it. So I mean, there's so many other ones in here. Like in my defense, I ran out of coffee. That's a pretty cool style too. We could do that one for. Actually, let's do this one. I really like that. So I'm gonna click it, new project, and then in my defense, I ran out of coffee. So you're like, all right, cool. We're in the dashboard here. Let's go not now. They have Kittl AI too, which is awesome. It'll create them for you. So in here I can put, instead of in my, I'll put this is what, and then I'm just going to make the font smaller, somewhere over here. Yeah, it's at like 1200, so I'm going to reduce that dramatically, maybe to 100, even less. That actually fits. This is one end, and then I'll go in here. I'll just go delete. Oops, crap, didn't mean to do that. Let me go back. Oh, fart. Hang on one sec. Okay, I had to go back and get it. Double click it this time. Awesome. Just one space, then I'll click off. Just take all these out. Like back in the day, this design would have cost you like 50 bucks from a designer. Now you can do it in a heartbeat on Kittl, and it fits perfectly. Now, oh, I have that. That's why. If I want to delete that, I have to pay. And then I can get full. Okay, so you can design for free, but if you want to use it, you get full commercial rights, credits, unlimited premium mockups, which is cool. So you can upgrade now, cancel at any time. Or I'm just going to use it with the Kittl thing on it, because I'm not in my other account. But here too, I can download this and I can use it. So if I go over here, that's uploads, and then download right here. So it's auto saved. In my defense, I just ran out of coffee. I would change that to, this is what an awesome dad looks like. And that's a pretty cool design too. So let's go download. And in here on the free plan, I can't export to the size I want, but on the other ones, I can remove the background, optimize quality, and remove the logo. I would just have to upgrade the plan. So for now, maximum size is 800 pixels. That's fine. I'm just using this as an example. So I'm going to download it as a PNG. If you want to use this, you do have to buy it. Okay. But I do have that on mine. It's just it has the little Kittl thing on it, which is fine. I mean, they're providing a service, and a very good service too. So you saw how many templates were available on there and how fast I made this shirt. So if I upgrade my plan, I could easily put this design onto shirts, mugs, whatever I want, and I own full commercial rights. So Kittl just made the game so much easier for print-on-demand sellers, and they even have AI now where they'll actually go and, let me show you here. You can come up with your own images, like they'll come up with them. You tell it what you want. They have patterns, they have everything. So it's super powerful. There's a logo generator in there too. Tons of stuff with Kittl. Back a couple years ago when they came out, they weren't as powerful as they are now. So if you're not a super creative designer type and you're like, oh, that looks like trash, man, I don't like that. Well, go to Kittl and look at the difference. So that's a very basic, like, design. It probably would sell. And then this one is fancy. Like, people would think you'd spend some time on that. You saw how fast I made that. So Kittl is an awesome option for print on demand, and I highly recommend it.